No, I wasn't in school last year either. Holy, I'm old AF. This time of year, I now know what older people always said when they're like, you feel your age when school comes around next year. Take in, kids going to high school this year are born in 2008. What? Like, are you kidding me? Which, like, I know I was born in 2003. I'm not that much older, but, like, that just sounds crazy to me. It's crazy that, like, people born in, like, 2000, kids that are born in, like, 2016 can, like, talk and walk. That's wild. That's so wild. Swear to God. 2008. Blows my mind. Now I understand what people, like when I was in high school and I would go into a session and be like, oh yeah, I'm in grade 10. I was born in 2003. People would be like, what the hell? Like, I'm old. I feel old. These kids out here don't even know who One Direction are. That's wild. One Direction broke up in 2016. Take that in. One Direction broke up 8 years ago. That's wild. Maybe crave Chipotle. It was very nice. I wanted to make the caption of that story, Chipotle. No more free promo. I need a Chipotle card, but I didn't wanna. I'd probably end up posting Chipotle anyway, so it doesn't matter. Anyways, how are you feeling? What's up, guys? You met Harry Styles? That's sick. 16-year-old kids don't even know who Johnny O Sings is. True. I might see Harry Styles. I'm not sure. No One Direction split up. I cried. I remember it was like big news. Like we were listening to the radio, and they came over and they were like, breaking news. The one that I remember is breaking news. Zayn has left One Direction. And then I remember they actually broke up like a little bit after that. But I literally remember that happening, which is wild. When is your tour? Can't tell ya. Just started college, majoring in cinema. Congratulations. You ever just stop talking and realize your house is so loud? Like I was in science one time and they were talking about sound, and they were like, "Oh yeah, your home is like 50 decibels." And I was like, no, like my home's just like quiet, it's silent. But it's not. And I have sleeping issues sometimes, so I'll just be sitting there and be like, this shit is loud as hell. The AC is going crazy right now. Anyways. Why is it not letting me click on mine? Can't see who's in here. Come on. Come on. When is your tour gonna be? Can't tell you. I look like, is it a seal? I feel like a seal. I'm so tired. So freaking tired. How do you deal with stress? It depends. Everything always depends. For me, the thing, like there's obviously certain factors. Like, are you stressed because you have a test tomorrow and you haven't studied, or an exam tomorrow and you haven't studied? Well then, study. There's only one thing you can do, you know? I've studied through the night many times, gone to bed at 5 a.m. for an exam at 8:30. If you're stressed because you have a million things to do and you have a little bit of time and, like, you know, your life's a mess, everything, I always fix the little things first. Like, if there's clothes all around my room, I'll, like, pile them into a corner and then put them into, like, a little bin. And that helps me just, like, not see everything. I'll make my bed, you know, do all that kind of stuff. And then I feel like I can get started with my work. But it really depends on you. And you'll develop your stress coping mechanisms, healthy ones, as the years go on. You just got to know yourself. That's what works for me. It might not necessarily work for you. You are very organized. I am not, trust me. I'm not organized. Did I go to Rolling Loud in Toronto? No, I didn't. I wanted to. I was in Toronto. I was up north. I want you out on myself. Oh, that's what I'm saying. Rest in peace to PNB Rock. I want you out on myself, I swear. That was crazy. I woke up and I was like, there's no way. Like, I wrote anthems. John, the Philippines are scrambling from when you came here. As soon as we got back home, the label was like, hey, so, like, when are you guys coming back? It was really nice. It was a really good time. Do I like Weezer? Am I about to be put in a video? That's a trap, I know it is. I want you on myself, I swear. You don't need nobody else, I swear. Guys, I made this fire the other day. Check it out. It's a great fire. It's a great fire. And look, it was oh, that's me. But if you look, the camera was warping and it looks really sick. Anyways, it's a great fire. There's a couple of things that guys just like know how to do. Building a fire is one of them. Changing a tire, kind of. I don't know. Opening jars. That's about it. That's what I'm useful for. Killing spiders. That's about it. Woo. Alright guys, I gotta go in 2 minutes on the dot because I got some interviews. Ask me some questions. Give me history exam tips. Don't eat yellow snow. Call Gus on stream? I would. I'm on my phone though. What do you do nowadays? Do you have a job? Or you're just focusing on music? Nope, just doing music. I'm very fortunate. I make enough money to be able to just do music full time. It's very strange trying to explain to people what I do that don't know what I do. So you'll be like, oh, I do music. And then they're thinking like, Like, do you go to university? No, I just do music. They're like, I'm like, no, like, I promise I do music. And you have to show them the IG, then they're like, okay. Oh, I didn't mean to click on that. No, I didn't go to Rolling Loud. I want you out of myself, I swear. Will I come back to Boston? For sure. Watch your abs? Why? I got hairy arms. I feel like that's not an innocent question. There's some weird fetishes, boys and girls. No, I don't have hairy arms. Most personal song in the album, probably all the things that could go wrong. Spin Like Girl. Oh shit. What's my biggest dream? Adam, hello. My biggest dream is to see Adam Fantilli walk through my door right now. That's my biggest dream. I want all the boys to just come marching through the door. And we'll have a great night. Play some show. That's about it. Alright guys, I gotta cut, but it's very nice talking to all of you guys. I hope you are all doing very well, and I want to do more Instagram lives soon. This is fun. But yeah, Thank you guys for tuning in. I love ya. Let's do this again soon. Let me know what you want me to do on the next live. I feel like I always need... I feel like... Oh, I gotta go in 1 minute. I gotta go now, but it starts in 1 minute. I feel like I always just get on here and, talk. I need something to do. Give me suggestiones. Excuse me. Found a YouTube channel the other day called Johnny Orlando Burping. Really weirded me out. It was Johnny Orlando Burps and Farts. Super weird. Anyways, you guys are into what you're into. I don't judge. Peace. I'm gonna wait.